If you're fighting with hip pain, you might have heard that you just need to take a big band and pull your femur into a better position, because somehow this is going to actually move the femur and permanently change the way you actually move your hip joint. If it were this easy, we'd all be crippled from playing sports and sitting in chairs. It's not that easy to change the position of your femur with just a big rubber band. But what a rubber band can do is help you learn to use the muscles that resist the force that the band is creating. So instead, think about using the force that this is creating and then fighting it with those muscles. So rather than relaxing, you're actually using these to fire and control the range of motion as you get deeper and deeper into it. So you're teaching these muscles to eccentrically contract and also concentrically contract when you bounce a little bit away from the anchor point. And of course, when you're stuck, you think about doing an isometric contraction there, keeping those muscles firing. You can also do little tilts, kind of anterior, posterior tilt. So instead of relax, 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 remember to use the force.